Hello girlies and welcome back to my channel. This week my video is all about my autumn reset and how I spent the last week of September and the first week of autumn, like a few days throughout, just preparing for autumn through organization, getting in the right vibe and the right mood just to romanticize this new season, to make sure that I'm looking after my mental health and happiness. I'm truly making the most of these last few months of the year, and especially because everybody's winter arc has just started. I'm planning, I'm looking at Pinterest, I'm decluttering, getting rid of all of my old clothes. I'm making sure I'm going out and trying new things, which honestly in this vlog I actually picked up a new hobby, which was so exciting. I've also been wearing some really cute new autumn outfits and just getting in the mood with styling and also having new experiences. So I really hope you guys enjoy this vlog. It's a little bit of a different one with the way it's spread over so many different days, but I would love to hear your thoughts below in the comments down below, and be sure to subscribe because I upload brand new vlogs every single week. Enjoy! I am obsessed with my outfit today. This long chocolate brown maxi skirt, and I'm just wearing a brown Skims bodysuit underneath. I am just grabbing all of my stuff because I'm about to go to a cafe to get some work done. I have to introduce you to my new Autumn Vibes bag. She is very big. It's from Demelia. I'll try and link it in the description, but this is the New York bag and I got the largest size because I'm always looking around at cameras and tripods on my laptop, and so I thought this is perfect. I'm sorry, but how good does it go with my outfit? Most unique bag you've ever seen in your life. Is that right after the cafe, I'm actually going to a really exciting event that I thought I'd bring you guys along because I feel like it really fits the theme of this vlog so well. My favorite coffee shop, Blank Street, has invited me to one of their events. It's my first time doing anything like this with them. I'm so excited because I have been obsessed with their drinks for well over a year now, and they're basically having this evening at one of their coffee shops where they're inviting a few creators down to do crochet, try out their new matches and coffees. How cozy and how cute. I've never done crochet before, but I'm really into stuff like that, so you guys will also be seeing that in today's portion of the vlog. Especially when it comes to new seasons, I think trying new things is so important, and this is such a great example of it. It's definitely something we've never done before, nor would we do like on our own accord. So I'm really glad that this event came about so that we're just encouraged to go do something that we normally wouldn't do. I'm super excited to try out all of the autumn themed matches and coffees and just see where the evening takes us. I would say that I was eating dinner at Blank Street, but the food is literally so good. I'm obsessed. I've been here for literally 10 minutes, already drank that much.
You're slicing your bread, that's the first one. But you can try that as a crochet.
Yeah, you need the SOS.
I need SOS.
That's yours. Start again. Start. You can teach her now.
Thank you. I'll try. Yeah. Then you bring this down and then pull it through from here. Yeah.
I'm still lost. Look at you!
On the quick line, and then you just grab it, pinch it.
Guys, sorry to interrupt. Would anyone like another drink?
Yes.
I can't right now, sir, but I'm Got it one thing at a time.
Yeah.
It's so insane to me that just deciding to take a chance on something has actually impacted my life in such a large way. I decided that it might just be fun to turn up to this event, who knows, you know, let's just try something new. And even though I was struggling the entire event, like I only just got the hang of this towards the end of it, and you know, it wasn't my favorite thing in the world, I decided to keep at it at home. We took the crochet supplies back to our apartment with us, and I fell in love with it. I completely got the hang of it, and it literally made sure that now I have a brand new hobby. Like that night, I was literally crocheting in bed, and I have been ever since. It's the perfect autumn hobby to pick up, and this just goes to show you should definitely always try new things because you never know where it will take you. The fact that a new season is now beginning and we're approaching the last quarter of the year is motivating me to get my ish together a little bit more and just sort out the mess that is this wardrobe, especially because now we are shifting into the colder seasons. There are just so many clothes on display right now that I just know I'm not going to be reaching for the next few months. But two, I just feel like all of the clothes here are very bunched up together, pushed up against each other. It makes it look messy. It's just very tight and crowded. And so not only do I want to shift what clothes are here so that I know how to build outfits for the colder seasons, but also I want to get rid of quite a few things. So today I'm finally going to be setting up my Depop, which I've been meaning to do for so long now, and I'm just going to be giving away a bunch of clothes. And then in addition to swapping out my clothes, selling stuff on Depop, we also need a lot of organization. I moved into this apartment, what, like 3 or 4 months ago? This is horrendous. I have never organized my jewelry since moving in. I've just had so many other things to do. So today we're going to do that so that I can just live a nice, neat, organized life. And let's do it together. And it's best to just work through it in sections. She's so cute, but definitely a summery top that I know I'm not going to get use of out of winter. I love this top so much, but she's about to be packed away. Oh, already just taking out a few summer bits. I feel like there's finally enough space between the hangers that it's not all so crowded, but I am yet to put in all my winter clothes. But it's already looking a lot better and more winter appropriate. No banana bread.
There's a banana bread supply chain issue across all Bank Streets right now.
Blueberry then.
Yeah.
Thanks. Cheers. Love you.
Maybe.
Boyf just delivered some blueberry matcha to me, which is great. But you know what, guys? I think it's been like 30 minutes maybe, and I've already made so much progress and I'm proper in the swing of it. It always seems like the biggest, most daunting task, but I feel great and I actually can't wait to finish this. So right now I'm just going through all of my gym clothes and just taking out all of my shorts and things like that because it's going to be too cold for it. Over there are clothes that I no longer want, and then over here is the huge pile of summer clothes, which are now going to go away into storage. Okay, all summer clothes have now exited all of my wardrobes. I've also made a pile back there of things I definitely want to get rid of. And in this bag, we have the winter clothes that have been in storage for a very long time. I cannot remember what's in here, so let's have a look. Oh, I remember this. I love this jumper. Oh, I've been looking for this skirt everywhere. I was literally going to repurchase this and then I didn't. Okay, now that that's done, I'm just gonna have another look through each of these piles just to make sure there aren't any other pieces of clothing that I'm maybe like not forgetting about that maybe should be given away, put to better use, and then I'm gonna put all of the winter clothes in and just reorganize everything so it's all looking nice, neat, color coordinated, sort my jewelry, and then I'm all done. It took 2.5 hours, but that's the wardrobe all done. You guys might not be able to tell a huge difference. I personally can. There's so much space between each item of clothing. The wardrobe overall is definitely more neutral. And honestly, I feel so good about this because this is gonna make sure that my autumn outfits pop off even more, and it's gonna be way easier to pull together a stylish look every single day because everything here is wearable, everything is ready, everything's color coordinated. Even the jewelry, guys, I'm obsessed. I've never seen it like this before. Like after I moved in, I never organized it. I've also made a huge pile of the clothes I'm gonna give to charity, and the pile for Depop is over there. So be sure to give it a follow, guys, because I'm going to be uploading things on there ASAP. And over there, I have 4 bags full of my summer clothes where now I need to figure out where to store them. I'm actually giving away some really cute stuff that I love on my Depop just because either like I have more similar things on there or I just don't get as much use out of them anymore. So I feel like it's better off in your guys' hands. A moment of silence for the outfit, please. Oh, I am feeling myself today. Oh, the little pop of red. I got a jean on. I never really wear jeans, but this outfit I'm so here for. She's convenient, she's warm, she's stylish. I'm ready to slay the day, feel super confident all day long. Glam is done, hair is straight. It's a good day. It's actually especially a good day because today is the 1st of October, which means it's officially autumn, winter arc is starting, and it's Libra season. I'm 24 exactly a week today. I have 7 days left to savor this year of my life. This is a lot. I'm being hella overdramatic right now, and I actually love my birthday, and by no means do I think 24 years old is old, but as much as I love when my birthday day comes, that realization of I've literally only got a few days left of this year before it's completely wrapped and I got everything I could possibly get out of it, that's intense. That makes me feel like time is running out and I'm like, oh my God. So I really need to make this week my bitch, and that is starting with today. We are kicking off October on a high because I'm all cute in a cute outfit. I'm about to get on the tube. I think it's like a 30-minute journey. I'm going to a whole other side of London because I found this super cute cafe. And if you guys watched my last vlog, I think it was, then you know I'm back to working in cafes. I'm like back in the swing of things, you know. I love to do it to be productive, romanticize my life, try out new things, explore London, which is one of my really big goals. And this is my way of doing it. It's a gorgeous cafe. I cannot wait to go there today. And then afterwards, I have a lunch date with Boyf. And then after that, we're both going shopping. And I thought I would vlog a little bit of it because I want to pick up an autumn candle. I want to see all of the autumn stock all of the shops have. As the year is coming to an end, and of course I'm living in a new city, that being London, I really wanted to prioritize exploring new places, and I've been trying to romanticize my life even more during the season by just getting out of the house and going to cafes to work. So today I decided to explore a new one, and this is the Cromwell Place Cafe in Kensington and Chelsea. It was just beautiful, the vibes were immaculate, and then once I got around 3 hours of work done, I headed towards Mayfair in London to meet my boyfriend for our lunch date. After our lunch date, I decided to pop into the shops. I was in H&M Home because I really wanted to see what stock they had for the autumn season. So I was trying to explore with the decor. I was smelling a few different candles and I wasn't really sure what to get until I saw these mugs and I fell in love. I've been in search for a huge mug for a long time and this just felt right for like those cozy winter nights. And then I also picked up a new candle, and then later on that evening I came home, put my pajamas on and decided to get to work with my Q4 planning. And of course, first of all, I had to start using my new mug straight away. I'm so obsessed with it. And then I also decided to light the new candle I got from H&M Home today. I smelt quite a few and this one just had the nicest, most autumn vibey scent. And then the first part of my planning is always to scroll on Pinterest, start making an autumn mood board. As somebody who suffers from seasonal depression, mood boarding is so essential. I've even created a cozy autumn Spotify playlist just to romanticize my life, get into the mood and just really try to enjoy everything that comes with this season. Autumn is just not complete without planning a really cozy night at home, lighting your cutest candles, and then having a baking night. Baking has always been one of my favorite hobbies, and I rarely ever make time for it, but as soon as the autumn season swings around, I know that I have to have a night because the vibes are just immaculate when it's cold outside. You want to snuggle up in a blanket and watch a movie. While most people tend to go for banana bread, I decided to go for chocolate chip cookies tonight because I've truly perfected my recipe on this recently. It has no butter in it, and for sugar I actually use coconut sugar, so it's definitely one of the healthier options when it comes to baking. I added in lots of chocolate chips, of course, to make them taste as yummy as possible, rolled them up into balls and then put them in the oven, and they only took 10 minutes to make. Once they came out of the oven, I started serving them into bowls for me and my boyfriend with our little movie night, and then I stored it in Tupperware because there is nothing better than having some freshly baked goods just ready for you to grab at any moment during the week. Then we sat down in the living room together, the candles were lit, we were grabbing the cookies, I was all bundled up in my favorite cozy blanket, and at the moment we're actually rewatching Desperate Housewives, which we're really enjoying, and that was it. We just had a super chill evening, winding down, enjoying these cookies, and that brings us to the end of this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it.